Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to September 24th. It is a Monday today, the start of a great week. It's our first full week of fall, so we're in a brand new season now. Fall is one of my favorite seasons, and just being in a classroom or two over on Friday and they're talking about fall, sounds like a lot of you like the fall time also. So for our September birthdays, and I apologize I did not get to those ones on Friday, so here we go. We have Landon Keel. We have Emma McCalla. We have also Adeline Gomez. And then Riley Goebel. And that's all we have for today. We have 2 birthdays on the 25th and 1 birthday on the 26th this week. And I'll make those announcements for those birthdays the next couple of days. For our lunch choices, we have chicken nuggets, meatball sub, or peppy pizza salad with bread, along with mashed potatoes and veggies and oranges and apples, along with some chilled fruit punch. There you go, there's something different. And some milk. So we do have some examples for pause for today, so I'll have the students explain those.
Okay, boys and girls, teachers and staff, it is time for our pause examples for today. So for today, the students they come up with 3 different examples.
No hitting people. Be like your classmates. Do your homework and don't get anything wrong.
Those are all very good examples, so thank you, boys and girls, for those examples today for our pause.
Very nice work, boys and girls. I appreciate those examples for our pause today. So we'll take a moment of silence. Thank you, and at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please stand. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, very nice job with our Pledge of Allegiance. Thank you very much. So, boys and girls, teachers and staff, start of a brand new week, start of a new season. Maybe there'll be something exciting today that you're glad that you're starting. Remember, the choices are yours. You make the good choices, good things happen to you. So I'll see everybody in a little bit and have a great day.